In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your live video. I've talked about this in the past with Instagram. This is a missed opportunity. Live video can change your income because you're building the know, like, trust factor. Let me show you how to do that. Just as a reminder that you do need 1,000 followers to go live. Let me show you how you're going to do that. When you open your TikTok app, you're going to go to the corner and go to settings and privacy. Then you're going to click on the live, and then that's where live events come. Once you do that, you're going to create your live event. So let's just create one for the heck of it. I'm going to create one for tonight. I'm going to say live video tips. And I'm going to start at 6 o'clock, and it's going to be 1 hour. And you can even add it to your calendar. How cool is this? Add it to my calendar. How cool is that? I don't know why I did it twice, but that's still super cool. Okay, so here is another thing that you want to make sure to do. You can create content around this event. I'm not necessarily going to create a video right now, but let's take one of my drafts, for example. Say right here, how to go live on TikTok. Okay, let's say I have everything ready. I have my description ready. I have all of my hashtags done. Right here where it says add link, you can link your event, which is bomb. So there you go, done, add your location, all of that stuff. So that is something that you need to take advantage of. I think there is a huge opportunity on live video. And like I said, I will be linking how to go live on TikTok live video. You're building the know, like, trust factor. They want to get to know you. They want to like you and your personality, you showing up every single day. They'll be able to trust you, which ultimately gets them to buy from you. Because I know that making money on live and asking for the sale, that's kind of cringy, but it's not though, because all you're doing is an exchange of value. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss when that video does come. I will be linking that below in the description. Schedule your live video. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to actually sell on live video. I'll see you in the next.